How to fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off Schedule Do Not Disturb. Open Settings, search Do Not Disturb. Now click on Do Not Disturb. Now here you will see Do Not Disturb Schedule. And if you want to turn off, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Schedule Do Not Disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.